Hello viewers, today we are going to focus on another rose video in our My Beautiful Garden channel. Dear proof your roses do-it-yourself strategies to safeguard your precious blooms. It's a quite interesting video. It's all about the beautiful roses. Now we will see one by one. Tired of seeing your cherished roses devoured by bees? Bid farewell to deer-induced woes and embraces a garden where your roses flourish undisturbed. Join us on this journey of defense and preservation, and let's fortify your blooms together. Elevate your rose protection game with 100 dynamic do-it-yourself strategies. Discover the magic of safeguarding your precious blooms from deer. Create a haven where roses thrive, safe from graceful yet hungry grazers. Say goodbye to deer, not only deer, and many other things. Induce frustrations and welcome peace of mind. Infuse your garden with the essence of defense and undisturbed beauty. Explore 100 methods to fortify your roses against hungry deer and other animals. Elevate your gardening prowess by mastering the art of deer proofing. Foster a space where your beloved blooms remain untouched by deer and other animals. Craft a sanctuary where roses flourish in protection and tranquility. Unveil the secrets of deterring deer and other animals through proven do-it-yourself techniques. Say hello to a garden where deer no longer feast on your roses. Share the joy of witnessing undamaged blooms amidst natural. Discover the art of deer proofing that elevates both defense and aesthetics. Elevate your rose care with strategies that outsmart the hungry deer and other animals. Explore 100 ways to keep your precious blooms safe from deer damage. Craft barriers that shield your garden's beauty from deer's appetite. Foster a space where roses thrive as graceful grazers are kept at bay. Infuse your garden with the essence of protection and unharmed allure. Say goodbye to deer troubles and welcome a blooming oasis. Create an outdoor masterpiece where roses bloom in deer-free peace. Unveil 100 techniques to elevate your garden's defense against deer. Elevate your gardening journey by mastering deer deterring techniques. Share the magic of undisturbed beauty amidst a natural haven. Discover the art of coexisting with deer while protecting your roses. Say hello to a garden where deer becomes spectators, not diners. Foster a space where your roses flourish under deer-free skies. Infuse your garden with the essence of tranquility and deterrence. Explore 100 ways to balance nature's beauty with deer protection. Craft defenses that blend seamlessly with your garden's aesthetics. Elevate your rose care by deterring deer while embracing nature. Create a heaven where roses bask in safety away from deer's reach. Unveil 100 strategies to elevate your garden's resistance against deer. Foster a garden where both deer and blooms coexist in harmony. Say goodbye to deer, induced worries, and welcome serenity. Infuse your garden with the essence of thriving blooms and deterrence. Elevate your gardening prowess by outsmarting deer with ease. Discover the art of keeping your roses safe without compromising beauty. Share the joy of witnessing undamaged blooms in a deer guarded heaven. Explore 100 ways to preserve your roses' beauty from deer's appetite. Craft defenses that let your roses shine while keeping deer at bay. Foster a space where deer graze elsewhere, leaving your roses untouched. Infuse your garden with the essence of protection and graceful resilience. Say hello to a garden where roses are shielded from deer and other animals' intrusions. Unveil 100 techniques to elevate your garden's immunity against deer. Elevate your rose care with strategies that ensure blooming serenity. Discover the art of coexistence as you protect your roses from deer. Share the magic of undisturbed beauty amidst nature's delicate balance. Foster a space where your roses flourish without deer-induced setbacks. Explore 100 ways to embrace nature while deterring deer from your blooms. Craft defenses that stand as guardians of your garden's elegance. Elevate your gardening journey by nurturing roses amidst deer and other animals' protection. Infuse your garden with the essence of deterrence and natural charm. Unveil 100 strategies to elevate your garden's resilience against deer. Foster a garden heaven where blooms thrive unharmed by deer and other animals' appetite. Say goodbye to deer encounters that mar your roses' allure. Discover the art of coexisting with deer while safeguarding your beauty. Share the joy of witnessing vibrant blooms within a deer-resistant realm. Explore 100 ways to deter deer and preserve your garden's enchantment. Craft defenses that weave into your garden's story of protection. Elevate your rose care by cultivating resilience amidst deer's presence. Infuse your garden with the essence of protection and natural harmony. Unveil the 100 techniques to elevate your garden's defense against deer and other animals' intrusions. Foster a space where roses thrive while deer and other animals remain at a distance. Say hello to a garden where deer no longer hinder your bloom's beauty. Discover the art of coexisting with deer without compromising your roses. Share the magic of undisturbed beauty in a garden of deer protection. Explore 100 ways to embrace harmony while combating deer and other animals' damage of your roses. Craft barriers that showcase your garden's resilience against deer and other animals. Elevate your gardening prowess by nurturing roses amidst deterrence. Infuse your garden with the essence of protection and coexistence. Unveil 100 strategies to elevate your garden's resistance against deer and other animals. Foster a garden heaven where blooms flourish beyond deer's reach. Say goodbye to deer frustrations and embrace undisturbed serenity. Discover the art of coexisting with deer while preserving your roses' allure. Share the joy of thriving blooms amidst a garden fortified against deer. Say goodbye to the stress of deer damage and embrace a garden of secure beauty. Unveil 100 techniques to create a rose sanctuary that's a haven from deer and other animals' disruption. Share the magic of a garden where roses remain untouched by wandering deer and other unwanted animals. Discover the art of blending beauty and other things. Craft a space where roses and deer harmoniously share the beauty of your garden. Infuse your garden with the essence of triumph as your roses flourish in peace. Elevate your rose care with proven strategies that deter deer and protect blooms. Explore 100 ways to defend your garden's roses while honoring nature's balance. Foster a garden where your roses captivate without becoming deer's delight. Say hello to a garden where roses shine in the absence of deer disruptions. Unveil 100 techniques to fortify your roses against the curious nibbles of deer. Share the joy of witnessing your roses bloom untouched by deer interferences. Discover the art of coexistence that lets roses and deer. Craft a heaven where roses take center stage, protected from deer and other animals' curiosity. Infuse your garden with the essence of success as your roses defy deer and other animals' challenges. Elevate your gardening prowess by mastering the dance of roses and deer and other animals. Explore 100 methods to create a rose sanctuary that is invulnerable to deer and other animals' allure. Foster a space where roses flourish under your guardianship. Say goodbye to deer damage and anxiety and hello to a garden of secure and tranquility. Unveil 100 techniques to create a rose paradise where deer are mere spectators. Share the magic of roses that bloom in peace, untouched by deer and other animals' disruption. Discover the art of integrated garden designs that ensure roses and deer and other animals' coexistence. Craft a space where your roses enchant while deer are kept at a respectful unarmed. Infuse your gardens with the essence of accomplishments as your roses thrive. Elevate your rose care to an art form that cherishes your blooms amidst nature's ways. So ready to safeguard your rose heaven from curious deer and other animals. Bid farewell to deer and other animals' disruptions and welcome a garden of secure beauty. Let's create a heaven where roses thrive without interruptions. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you in the next video. Bye bye.